Imagine you are driving home. A child suddenly runs onto the road. You hit the brakes. Now imagine a self driving car in exactly the same situation. It also hits the brakes. Same result, same action. But here's the question: did the human driver and AI think in the same way? The answer might surprise you. Welcome to AI in Small Bytes, where we break down big AI ideas into small practical concepts. So, in the next few minutes, let's answer one simple question. Everyone says artificial intelligence is intelligent, but is it really? And before this video ends, I will recommend one book that completely changed the way I thought about human intelligence and artificial intelligence. Now, why does it matter? Sometimes it feels that AI can do almost everything. But here's the problem: many people expect AI to think like a human. Then they get surprised when AI makes very silly mistakes. Say, like image generation models famously struggle with human anatomy and complex physical objects, right? Why do they do that? Because AI is not a human brain and it solves problems differently. So let's start with human intelligence. A child sees two dogs, then slowly he recognizes a third dog. A small child can learn from a very few examples. Human intelligence is the ability to observe, learn from experiences, understand situations, and make decisions. Humans are amazing at learning from limited experience. But what about artificial intelligence? AI doesn't understand the world the way we do. Like, say, when ChatGPT writes a sentence, it predicts the next word. When an image model creates a picture, it predicts what the image should look like. Now, how does it do? Well, it learns from patterns from huge amounts of data, millions of images, books, conversations. Then it predicts what should come next. AI becomes powerful because it has already seen enormous amounts of data. So, what's the biggest difference? Humans can imagine something they have never seen before, but AI generates something based on what it has already learned. Humans use emotions, whereas AI uses mathematics. Humans ask why. They always look for context, right? AI predicts what comes next. Both can produce amazing results, but they reach those results in completely different ways. Let's look at a real world example here. Imagine a doctor. A patient walks in his office looking tired. The doctor notices his body language, voice, facial expressions. The doctor combines all of this along with his medical records before making a diagnosis. Now imagine an AI system. It analyzes medical scans, blood reports, past patient records, research papers. It may find some patterns that human might miss. But if some information is missing, the doctor's experience and judgment becomes extremely critical. So the best outcome isn't human or AI alone. It's human and AI working together. That's exactly why AI is called artificial intelligence. It is designed to assist human intelligence. So let's quickly summarize this. First, human intelligence understands meaning. Machine intelligence recognizes patterns. Second, humans typically learn from very few experiences. AI usually needs enormous amounts of data. Third, the future is not humans versus AI. The future is humans working along with AI. I hope this video helped you clearly understand the difference between human intelligence and machine intelligence. As promised, here's one book I'd highly recommend. If you would like to explore this topic further, read Life 3.0 by Max Tegmark. It explains where AI is today, where it could go into the future, and most importantly, how humans and AI are fundamentally different. It's written for curious readers, AI experts, So it's an excellent next step after this watching this video. Now, before we wrap up, let me quickly introduce myself. Hi, I am Unmesh Nadkarni. I'm a tech entrepreneur, AI explorer, and builder who loves breaking down complex AI ideas into simple practical insights. Over the years, I have built products across SaaS, learning technology, and AI driven tech. Through this channel, AI in Small Bytes, my goal is simple to help founders, professionals, students, and builders understand big AI concepts in small, easy bytes. In our next video, we will explore another fascinating AI concept in a simple and practical way. See you in the next video, but in the meantime, have a great one.